The Osiris Rex spacecraft was developed by NASA and sent into orbit in 2016 with the goal of conducting research on the asteroid Bennu. The spacecraft was the very first mission ever undertaken by the United States to retrieve a sample from an asteroid and bring it back to Earth. But how much did it actually cost to carry out this historic mission? The Osiris Rex mission had a total cost of around $800 million when it was finished. This comprises the cost of developing the spacecraft, building it, and launching it into orbit. It also includes the cost of managing the spacecraft while it is on its journey to Bennu and during its return to Earth. Even if it would appear that the price tag for the Osiris Rex mission is large, it is crucial to keep in mind that exploring space is a difficult and expensive task. The research and development of innovative technologies, as well as the discovery of uncharted territories, need for substantial financial and material investments. In addition to its scientific goals, the Osiris Rex mission also has significant repercussions for our comprehension of the solar system and the prospect of extracting resources from asteroids. Asteroids like Bennu contain important resources, including as water and precious metals, that might be utilized to fund future space exploration and potentially to help sustain life on Earth. These resources could be exploited to help sustain life on Earth. The Osiris Rex mission is still active, and the spacecraft is expected to return to Earth in 2023, bringing a sample of material collected from Bennu with it. It is anticipated that the sample will provide vital insights into the structure and history of asteroids, as well as the possibilities for mining and resource use on asteroids. In conclusion, the Osiris Rex project is a significant and groundbreaking mission that is contributing to the expansion of our understanding of the solar system as well as the possibilities for mining asteroids. Even though the mission came in with a hefty price tag, it is an essential investment that is required for the furtherance of scientific research and technological development.